Meena works as a project coordinator at a small software company. Every Monday, her team has a short meeting to plan the week. Today, Meena arrived early, made a cup of coffee, and opened her laptop. At 9 a.m., her manager walked by and said, "Let's start the meeting in 10 minutes. Meena nodded. She opened her notes and checked the agenda she had written the night before. By 9:10, the whole team was in the meeting room. Meena stood up and said, "Good morning, everyone. Let's begin." She continued, "First on the agenda is the progress update. Can we start with Arun?" Arun, the developer, gave a short update. "I finished the login feature and I am now working on the payment page. It should be done by Wednesday." "Great," Meena said. "Please keep us posted if there are any delays." Next, she turned to Sarah, the designer. "Sarah, can you share your updates?" Sarah smiled. "Sure. I've completed the homepage design. I'll now focus on mobile screens." "Perfect. Please send those to me by Thursday," Meena replied. Now, let's talk about the client feedback. The team discussed a few comments from the client. One of them was about speed. The website was a bit slow. "We'll need to work with IT to fix that," Meena said. "Let's follow up with a technical meeting later this week." Then she asked, "Any questions or concerns before we wrap up?" Ravi, the intern, raised his hand. "Yes. Do we have a fixed deadline for version 2? Meena checked her notes. "Yes. Version 2 should be ready by the 28th. Let's aim to finish testing by the 25th. After answering a few more questions, Meena smiled and said, "Thank you, everyone. That concludes our meeting. Have a productive week." The team left the room and Meena sat down to send a summary email. She wrote, "Meeting started 9:10 a.m. Topics covered: updates, client feedback, deadlines, next steps, mobile design by Thursday, testing by the 25th, next meeting, Friday, 3 p.m. She clicked send and leaned back. The meeting had gone well.